An important warning for all married Massachusetts residents that are not U.S. citizens. Hi, I'm attorney Paul Bernstein of the Bernstein Law Group. If Warren Buffett died and left his entire wealth to his wife, as long as Mrs. Buffett is a U.S. citizen, there's no tax, even though there's billions of dollars going to her. And the tax we're talking about is the estate tax. The reason there wouldn't be a tax is there's a deduction in the estate tax world known as a unlimited marital deduction. So even at the level of wealth of a Warren Buffett, there's no estate tax if everything's going to his wife and she's a U.S. citizen. The unlimited marital deduction just zeroes out that tax. However, if Mrs. Buffett is not a U.S. citizen, there would be a significant tax that there is no unlimited marital deduction. The government's concern is if Mrs. Buffett, let's say, was Canadian and a Canadian citizen and she inherited all that wealth from her deceased husband and moved back to Canada and died in Canada, the U.S. government would never be able to levy the estate tax against her estate. So she wouldn't get the unlimited marital deduction. That's true for anyone that's married, and particularly here in Massachusetts, where we have a significant state estate tax as well, that if a spouse passes away and the surviving spouse is not a U.S. citizen, there could be a significant estate tax that surviving spouse would have to pay that she wouldn't if she was a U.S. citizen. There are solutions to this. You just best to do advanced planning while you're both alive to ensure that this tax doesn't get levied on the widow or widower that's a non-U.S. citizen. Things we do often with clients, because quite a few of our clients, at least one or both spouses are non-U.S. citizens. So go seek out proper legal advice from an estate planning specialist and a tax planning specialist to ensure you're not subject to this tax. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or just not sure what to do, feel free to reach out. Thank you.